This week we're going to preview the potential price volatility associated with the USDA reports scheduled for release on January 12th. We're also going to take a look at the updated weather forecast for Argentina and highlight an ongoing sluggish pace of U.S. corn export sales and shipments. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've kicked off 2023 here, and once again, historic price volatility is being seen. Let's start out this week looking at the January 12th USDA reports. A series of reports will be released that day. Final crop size for 2022, updated grain stocks for that day, for that report, and also an updated supply-demand report. Let's take a look at the price volatility seen in March corn futures on the day that those reports are released from an historical perspective. Now again, it's not every year. There's quite a bit of volatility in some years, very little volatility in others. But what you can see is there's the potential for price volatility there. The key message, we strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to have your risk management positions in place prior to the release of these reports on January 12th. Let's shift gears now and focus on the weather conditions in Argentina. Let's take a look at corn production regions in that country. Now we're looking here at four key provinces: Córdoba, Buenos Aires, Santa Fe, and Santiago del Estero. I want to emphasize that some of this corn in Argentina is pollinating as we speak here. Some of it is actually being planted here in the month of January. We'll highlight that more in a moment. Let's now take a look at the short-term weather forecast for that area. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here looking at some very warm temperatures as we move over the next 10 to 14 days, all across those key provinces we just highlighted. Once again, some of that corn is pollinating as we speak and struggling as we speak. But some of the corn is just being planted, so I don't want to say that this is a widespread catastrophic disaster, but some of that corn is suffering. Let's move on now and look at the precip totals. Moderate to sharply drier conditions across that entire region. Let's quantify that now as we wrap up our weather segment. Looking at that entire red area is looking at very dry to intensely dry conditions. Here's the key message. Again, some reduction, if you will, is being seen in Argentina corn, and some further reduction may be seen. However, it's premature to write off the entire crop because the month of January and actually into February will be important for this crop that's being planted at the moment. Let's shift gears now and focus on the demand side of the equation. Let's look at the export sales pace for U.S. corn. We can't overemphasize this enough. It is supply and demand that influence price. Supply is a question mark now with Argentina drought, but demand is a bigger question mark perhaps. As we look at this chart of year-to-date U.S. corn export sales, it's the third lowest total of the last 20 years. Here's a key message we want to highlight. As 2023 gets underway, the pace of sales and shipments remains well below the level needed to reach USDA's 2.075 billion bushel annual forecast. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn futures. Now, December corn as we speak here is trading near $6 a bushel. That's about $1.65 above the 5-year average for this time of year. And we still have nearly 2 months to go before the base crop insurance price is set. Key message, defend your balance sheet. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we update every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an update. And remember, you can check us out on YouTube at 11:20 a.m. Central Time on Thursday, January 12th for a live recap of the USDA reports. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.